In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to charge iPhone 15 with another phone. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how you can easily use the battery of one device to charge another, aka two iPhones. So in order to do this process and transfer the battery from one device to another so you can charge them, you will need to use a cable. Sadly, nowadays, no iPhone model supports reverse wireless charging. Reverse wireless charging is where you put one device on top of the other, and this allows them to exchange battery wirelessly. This feature is not available on any iPhone to my knowledge, but they do allow users to do this using the proper cable, so by establishing a physical connection between devices. So all that you have to do is plug one end of a cable into the first iPhone, and then the other one into the other one. I'm not sure if this is going to work with other devices, for example a Samsung phone, but it absolutely works between iPhones. So as soon as you have one end of a cable plugged into the first iPhone, so for example the iPhone 15, and then another one plugged into any other model, the battery will be transported accordingly. Like I said, it is unfortunate that this doesn't work with wireless charging, but it is still a very easy way to get this done. Make sure that you use the proper cable, so it can be Lightning to USB-C, USB-C to USB-C, or even Lightning to Lightning. And as long as you have the proper cable used, the battery will be exchanged between the devices. You can also use this feature to charge stuff like your AirPods case. So the process is exactly the same. You plug one end into the phone and the other one goes into the AirPods case. And as long as you have them physically connected, you are good to go. I hope I was able to help you on how to charge iPhone 15 with another phone. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.